Hi everyone! Today I'll be talking about the items I've purchased at Amazon in the first half of this year. Surprisingly, my order history at Amazon consisted of very few camera-related items, but there are a couple of them that are worth mentioning. I wanted to share them with you because Amazon Prime Day sale is just in front of us, and I hope this video will be of your reference. I sometimes shop at camera stores on the street as well, so some of the items I'll be introducing are not from Amazon. The items linked at the description box below. Okay, let's go. Number 1. XF 35mm f1.4 lens by Fuji Film and its lens filter. I bought it on the 27th December, but decided to bring it up. I use it so often that it feels like I've had it for so long. I decided to buy this because since upgrading from XT2 to XT3, there's been an improvement on AF speed that's much faster. Perhaps some of you are contemplating purchasing f2 over f1.4. Having used both, my personal view would be that anyone whose priorities are based on AF speed and the precision of AF and its durability, I would say you will most likely be satisfied with f2. As for the filter, I have this Zeta on every lens. It's nothing significant as compared to any other filters. I was just recommended by the salesperson and have stuck with this ever since. Number 2. ND filter. I bought this for Canon QL17 film camera, as you have previously seen in my last video. This is a lens-integrated camera equipped with f1.7 lens, but the fastest shutter speed is 1/500th, so it's necessary to have a ND filter under the harsh sunlight when I want to get bokeh behind the object. Number 3. This is a plain lens protection filter for the QL17. I did mention about sticking with Zeta filters, but the cheapest one would suffice for the fact that this camera may not be in future use. Number 4. Camera light seal foam for the QL17. I bought this because it was fairly damaged and could possibly repair it myself, but the work itself was really a hassle though. Number 5. Monochrome film, as you have seen in my last video. I looked for my film preference using Flickr. Having shot the films, I brought it to the camera store to be processed, and much to my surprise, I was told that Kodak films need to be processed at Kodak Film Lab, and moreover, it will take roughly a month to process them. I can't even remember what I had shot a month ago. Number 6, 7, 8. I'm showing these in a bundle, as I have shown them in my last video. Extension tube. Slide copy adapter, slide file mount. Please take a look at my video here. Number 9. Fujifilm XF 27mm f2.8 lens. I already have 23mm and 35mm and wasn't particularly interested in 27mm. But I was quite curious about this thin pancake style lens that looked somewhat convenient to carry around, so I decided to buy one. I haven't used it enough to comment much, but the impressions are these. When shooting indoor, for example, trying to capture a person, I quite like this certain sense of distance between the object and how the background appears. By the way, the lens filter is Ixus, as they didn't have Zeta in the camera store. Number 10. Lens cleaning items. I bought these Fujifilm lens cleaning liquid and a cleaning paper, as they are for Fujifilm lenses. However, I didn't like the paper because of its dusted fibers that tends to stay on the lens. I wouldn't recommend them highly. Number 11. Discount pack. I'm using it for my dry box for my camera gears. I keep buying this because having tried other products from different brands, I find it's the best quality. Okay, these are my purchase history. I'd like a strobe in the near future, but still contemplating it, since I wouldn't be using it as often. Okay, this is it for today. Please press good if you like my video and subscribe my channel and Instagram. See you soon at the next video. Bye!